welcome back. We still get comedian Kofi in the studio, and we actually give us your own opinion concerning what you go do if you find out say your best friend and the flirt with his spouse. Now, ladies, what you go do if you find out say your best friend wants sleep with your husband? Your best friend.
Actually, the reason I'm based on the best friends where I get present.
No, you say sleep with.
Okay, no, I just flirt. I just convert.
Because if not sleep, you get definition. The man feels sleep like this, woman sleep like that. Then wake up the next morning, nothing happens.
Okay, you find out that your best friend wants sleep with your husband.
You still dey talk sleep.
Flirt.
But I need to ask you this question, Owi.
Yes,
she don't already start the flirting, or she can't tell me, say, okay,
she don't start and then your husband can't tell you, say.
Oh, my husband can't tell me.
Yes.
For my husband to can't tell me, then everything already this and now, because of course I know the kind husband where I get. So for him to tell me I go feel help in weakness, not be say I go cut the girl entirely, but if push comes to shove and she decides that she won't be the winch waiting for inside my marriage, then I need to let her go.
What you go do? You stop the friendship, or you tell her say I know what they do.
I go tell him no, I no tell him. I go tell him say my husband come meet me. Which level now? What's in the happen? Your husband lost Abi now because I don't understand. Let's see happen. We go arrange, we go talk the thing in reach ground, because of course as you talk now my best friend. Yeah. So no be anything of say okay I go carry face or something. No, we go talk about him. Okay, what do you see for inside my husband where your husband no get? Okay, well, you call your husband. Husband, you need to develop this thing.
So she never married. What if she never married?
She never married. We'll go on a man search.
So you don't follow her to the search?
Go follow her.
I mean, she go plenty for your house. They come to your house all the time.
No, she don't come to my house. They meet for outside.
Boo.
Excuse me, Buku is your friend. Buno is my friend. Alessa is my friend. All the dating sites is my friend.
No worry about Google. More they there. Markets they there.
That's real outside chick.
Airports they there. We go waka. That man
go
see him.
Thank God my friends are married.
But we don't see married women when they hit another people.
Yes, now.
Wait now. That's how I'm going. Thank God my friends are married. I easily report to the husband. If you know, no waste time.
You know, see friends they be say when you don't report. Now that time they go say, you spoil my marriage. Oh yeah, you are not for you.
No.
Before you enter the house.
How are they actually act like my mom say? How should mama go do? He go just enter your house, call you and your husband. If your children don't be called, they sit down. He go wash you, say, come.
No, after the normal talking, I know won't stop him. The next day, even though I be good person, but to scare you a little, I will tie calabash with white cut and red cut. I knock it in front of you, bam! I come to my house.
Mama no they do that one. She go just hire some boys. If she no jazz, no jazz. If you hire boys, if you want to not listen. Second time na boys. She will just come your house and say, What's the shape I warned you before? Look under that tree.
Then they wait you.
Benin women, not the carry. Like say, look under that tree. If you try again, this time now they're going to knock for your door.
Me, I don't need to go far. You see this, the camera people, they will be association member. Arrange you. Arrange you.
What kind of ladies do I actually?
You have good friends. No, we can even help you arrange
So
the girl.
that's why they talk say me, I go just carry bottle. I don't know, say
My
the
brother.
level where people did.
Hey, you see they learn.
All right, you wait down and let us know what you go do if you find out, say, your best friend the flirts with your spouse. Enter Twitter, Talk Wazobia, or enter Facebook, Talk-Wazobia TV. Now, time, ladies, make we learn from this, because we get comedian Kofi inside the studio. I beg you, let us know whether that's true.
Or
Because
not.
I don't understand. Wait,
And
no, before you talk.
remember, say you they blonde.
Yes.
Say if not
And
true.
remember, say,
All these points I want to bring come out. 5 things what you need to know about man.
Well, I go talk my own at all.
Yes, thank you very
okay.
much. Now, this particular one, one relationship coach, Amy Fair, now actually bring this one come out. 5 things where women need to know about men. Ladies, are you ready?
Man, too, are you ready?
Man, are you ready to attest to the fact that these are what men actually
I'll
do?
confirm if not true.
Okay.
I'll confirm.
Number 1, men, they know they set out to hurt you intentionally. They know they plan, say they want to hurt you intentionally.
Not true, but some boys now, based on, if you notice one trend now, most guys go they do talk on social media, say Nigerian girls know they try based on experience. So some boys now don't get a different mindset, which I think we need to change. They get the mindset say girls no good, so boys must wicked. So some boys don't get that mindset, say, but truly, men know they set out to hurt women. But if the boy don't get one bitter experience, now you will consider himself change hand. And they do anyhow yaga yaga. But
I get question.
Wait, before you talk, and the person actually come outside talk, say, he say, men not they set out to hurt women. Unfortunately, sometimes things not they actually work out, and the thing they actually spark a lot of assumptions. The woman say, come, you actually plan and say you go hurt me. He say, all you need to do when things happen now to keep learning and evolving into the highest value woman possible. He say, because if they turn the table around, you fit actually leave them. Not be saying now let him go actually
Yes,
leave,
yes,
you actually
true,
leave
true.
them. So understand, say men, they not just plan and say they want hurt you intentionally.
Sometimes circumstance truly, as in talk, some women too, they get too much expectations.
Sure.
If you go with high expectations, definitely you go feel bad. Say, okay, this guy no meet up with what I expect.
50K on your first date.
You know, so those kind of things, now they cause the hurt way the person can they feel.
Yes.
So you don't see the guy say, man, this guy perfect, you know, but you know, kind of saying self getting own kind
One
of thing.
popular line where ladies they
you know.
use, you used me. You
Why you allow yourself to dey use?
So wait. Hey, that thing, they always hate that line. But when babe look, guys say, man, is it because I allowed you to sleep with me? Or I mean,
Yes.
excusez-moi s'il vous plaît.
Je suis malade.
You not sleep with him that time when I sleep, they
Now
sleep.
12, I take them now.
I mean, so those accusations no hold water. Me, they always think and say, make women, they go into relationship with the mindset, say, this is a 50-50 thing.
Yeah.
I'm adding, you are bringing.
True.
Now, you know, make we balance them out. But when they always expect, say, everything is based on the guy, you will be hot.
True.
You will definitely get burnt.
Very true. Ladies, now don't learn from this one now.
I don't understand. You know, ask us first whether we agree.
So you agree to them? Say men not
I like
to
the
hurt
fact
you.
say he say it's not true, but they. Because when they hear story like say some guys go to bet, say I go bet 20,000 on top this guy, go get this guy, go do this guy. Now that thing.
That is still the rain.
But you know, say most times the girls when they bet on, they eventually fall in love with the girl. And by the time when the girl can't realize, then everything don't scatter with that.
It happened to my friend. That's why the thing they pay me. The girl too, she get too much mouth. So sometimes, like you say, circumstance, she too they brag, she they talk too much, so they don't set her up. They will say the guy will carry her go London, do everything. Next thing, 2 weeks time, they expect her to do introduction. The guy no show, number no go, nothing happen.
That guy wicked, yeah.
Now she cost.
No. No. Not game. Both of them know say not game. Now she come, no, say the game don't end. Or, you know.
On top her head.
On top, you know, you get where
She
you
don't
go.
know say the guy get joker.
So
That's card,
you go need to
check
know
up.
the game where they play.
That kind of thing.
You understand?
Not chess.
Really?
Not chess. Now what I want to talk.
All right, number 2, what you need to know about men. They say, when a man like you, you go know.
True. Very true.
So when the man like you, you go know.
You know what's in there?
He said, Mike just put the line which she actually put. He said, one thing women around the world need to know is that men are a lot more straightforward than women. He said they hardly ever beat around the bush and will always tell you where they stand, either by words or their actions. Maybe now you as a woman not actually read from their actions or from their words.
I totally agree. Based on the fact that a lot of women, you feel there with a guy now, and maybe based on the guy just want to know whether, okay, I feel gel with this girl, they pick your call or call you once in a while. But you know the kind of relation, you know what the relationship be. So some kind of times now, the guy don't they withdraw one by one from everyday call, they don't they turn once a week, once a month. The girl go still they give excuse, say, oh, maybe now in work, they take in time. Oh,
but,
you not just get money at this time.
No.
And wait, make I finish. And now the guy, they give you different signs on a daily basis. Sometimes you go call, maybe girl go pick, you go say, oh no, maybe now in sister. You go visit him, he go leave you there, maybe go do another thing. He go say, oh no, he just dey busy now, why you no give me time? The guy they give you different signs, say, you know what, in babe, I not just they interested, but the girl go still insist, say, no, I go wait, the guy go still turn around.
On that note, what she will talk, make I actually tell you what Emi Fair talk. She say, when the man really likes you, you go show him. Now, he go stare like in life depend on it, no matter how hard he tries not to. He go make plans with you. He say he go glow like freshly baked bread every time.
This woman like
you
bread.
Call him.
He like food.
He say, and the most important one, he go show you off to his friends and family members over and over again.
I agree.
I do agree.
That one, now in those days,
God bless you.
that time don't day where we say,
We are on the same page.
where Bobo go show babe to everybody. Say, now my baby this. Nowadays, now the joker to take quickly get baby that.
Yes.
When you don't show him around, she will come be comfortable. Say, okay, yes, he don't show me around. Yeah, the things can start now officially now. Then after
Start
he
running
don't
things.
run things. then he'll come to show another person to the
can't
same set of guys. So everybody, they play everybody. But truly, if guy like babe, now 2 ways. The very genuine guy, no be that guy will immediately meet you, they call you. Now those ones we just look, okay, but the guy will meet you, like you, and begin build up. He go give you small space. They try inquire about your progress. Wetin you they do with your life, where you they go. If they try tallying with your own plans for your head, if they ask for your progress, not have you. That the most annoying question. With the Nigerian relationship now. Have you eaten?
I hate.
Send me a picture.
Picture of what?
Now, send me a picture is not bad. If una don't know yourself well.
Every
if una
day.
don't blend, forget that thing. It's okay to ask for picture. Una don't know yourself. Una don't blend.
But you still they toast me.
But you still they toast me. You will never know each other. Can I see your picture? Can I see your face? And every day you just meet her yesterday. You don't give her 12 missed calls today. No. It not be like be that too. Don't misinterpret it to say if man like you go show.
That one a mission.
Man like you go show. Now say 2 years later, he still they give you convo. You don't know how so you they build relationship, date and all those things. Not be say he call you every day. Now on a meet on WhatsApp and on a come do date on a meet somewhere. No, that one are runs. Runs different from like. The difference is clear. So don't mix it up. The one will like you truly, he go build up with you. But
I
go they
happy saying
follow
they
up.
here. I get a question for you. I get friend.
You
when
want
see
to
a
turn
guy.
coffee to a relationship?
No. It's related to this. It's related to this.
I full grant.
The girl show up all the signs, say he like him, and the guy too be like say they like him. Next thing she see card say they marry another person. Now the girl come right and say, but I thought you like me. Say, oh, did you? He said I didn't see the signs.
May I tell you this thing where you talk. Most times, men know they sabi read the signs. Me, I be perfect example.
You see?
I be perfect example. I get one friend where that year, she go come greet me for school. She go waka from her end, come look for me for inside the interior where my pale they stay that time where I will go do holiday. As far as me and my whole family they concerned and my party, we go gist, we go play, we go do everything. Years later, this is where they talk, maybe like 3 years ago or the other year, now we call the talk on phone, say, I just saw your number back. And she said, make her get out. Make her come on here. Say she be at the same like person we know where me and no fit marry. I say, what do you they talk? Where marry from come? Huh? Say, so me I no see all those signs. Say, I say, I don't know. Now my friend you be. So now wait, now your friend I be wait, I go find you come your house for Bariga. Find you go your friend house go for Bariga. Find you come school.
Because she
find
don't
you
get
go so me and like that I don't get like 2 or 3 instances where we say for me now say we be party, we be good friends, we just say. So sometimes ladies need to take the conch and the necessary step and say, guy, come. They say na taboo or na something say girl toast man. Me I dey toast you, I dey tell you I say me I like you. Guy, I like you, forget that thing. You tell the person. You know, now the same. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. Now only men that thing apply to Abi. Women know they know say that proverb he apply to them too. When they reach relationship, they know they see that proverb. They know they see them. But when they reach, they say they won't enjoy. They say what is good for the goose is good for the gander. When it reaches toasting and asking out, what is good for the goose is good for the gander. Tell me that.
You don't tell them. We'll come back. More things for you to know about men. 3 more things that we will give you where women need to know about men. When we come back right after the break.
No tell them more.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.